What are your favorite subjects or courses in school?
I also love literature and science because analyzing texts and conducting experiments are very engaging for me.
How do you approach studying for exams?
Additionally, I form study groups, utilize flashcards for key concepts, and review past exams for patterns.
What methods do you use to stay focused while studying?
I also use time management techniques like the Pomodoro method, keep a tidy study area, and set specific goals for each study session.
How do you keep up with new developments in your field of study?
I also subscribe to newsletters, follow thought leaders on social media, and enroll in online courses related to my field.
What is the most challenging aspect of your studies?
Another challenge is understanding complex theories and preparing for comprehensive exams.
How do you plan to use your education in the future?
I also aim to start my own business, work in research and development, and teach at a university level.
What are the benefits of continuing education or professional development?
Continuing education also boosts your resume, allows for networking opportunities, and keeps your knowledge up to date.
How do you balance academic and personal life?
I also ensure to maintain a healthy lifestyle, set clear boundaries, and seek support from friends and family.
What motivates you to learn and achieve your academic goals?
I am also driven by passion for the subject, the prospect of contributing to society, and the challenge of intellectual pursuits.
How do you handle academic pressure or stress?
Additionally, I maintain a healthy lifestyle, practice mindfulness and meditation, and take regular breaks to recharge.